Yes.
All of you. That is what this is.
Yes.
We will not be paralyzed by pessimism. Let me tell you, there's no greater antidote for despair than action. We have a tremendous opportunity in front of us to take a hold of our future, to clean our air, to create millions of green jobs for renewable energies, to literally save the world.
Yes.
How incredible is that? How many times in human history have you been able to say, I'm working to actually save the world? But that's what we're going to do.
That's what we're doing. Yeah. That's it.
So we put together today's rally to give you all an on-ramp to climate activism. Whether it be our organization, Climate Reality Charleston, the youth-led Sunrise Movement, High Schoolers Welcome, helping out the conservation voters of South Carolina with their campaigns, or volunteering with the SC Aquarium's efforts. Today is your opportunity to join something bigger than yourself, and I invite you to take that. So coming up, we have Queen Quet. She has been on the front lines of this. She has done presentations to the climate change, what was it, Queen Quet?
The UN.
The UN, she's done,
Ocean Action.
yes, yes, front lines. Let's all hear for Queen Quet.
Good afternoon, honey children. How honey to do? That's what I'm talking about. Now, honey children, you had me to crack my teeth like a this year because I Gullah Geechee. So we crack my teeth, we crack them like a this year. So I yet this your word climate. And in we language, that sounds like climb it. So when I been there, sit down. I studied about that thing. And I said, you know, the table tapper tell we claim it. So we have to claim the action we are for the day. So when I say climate, you say action, climate. 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 So now, all these other rest of people with a cracky teeth and things like that, they don't crack your teeth like me, right? They talk to you like this. And they act like they really understand your issues when they want your vote. They tell you that, you know, we're going to do the things necessary to enact the programs, and I have a plan. And then you say, well, how are you going to pay for it? Well, don't worry about that. But me and my team, if you vote for me, we're going to do this. Well, they might claim it, but they got to act upon it. And it's going to take us to make sure they take action. What's that word again? Action. What's that word again? Action. Because most people tell us that the massive budgets it would take to fight against climate change and sea level rise and ocean acidification aren't possible. They're too high to get over. But what did Michael tell us? And too low to get under, right? But we can climb it if we claim it and we take action against it. You don't have to have a whole bunch of huge folks doing something. It's having a whole bunch of us together doing something that makes the difference. So I sat over here with other citizens of the Gullah Geechee Nation. I want Elder Carly Town to bring up our flag, because most of you have seen it over and over. It's right in the plastic bag right there. You see that clear bag? That is environmentally sound, that's recycled material. And so here it is, that in the center of the Gullah Geechee Nation flag is a tree. And most of you who are familiar with the work of the Gullah Geechee Sea Island Coalition know that our motto is Huna must take care of the root for heal the tree. But you can only take care of the roots if they are planted and firm in soil that is safe, that is not polluted by offshore drilling. It's not polluted by coal. It's not polluted by all these things that others who are just making money about it want to tell us it's okay. A little bit of that is not a problem. Well, I never heard someone say a little bit of cancer is not a problem. And this is a cancer to not only our community in the Gullah Geechee Nation from Jacksonville, North Carolina to Jacksonville, Florida, but to our global community. So we claim that we are going to fight back. We are going to rise like the sea. I saw the best sign I've seen. There it is, right there. The seas are rising, and we are too. And this is the only kind of sea that I want to see around here too, rising too. So this before, because you know I heard I'm at a college. So y'all probably know the response to this. Don't stop. There we go. Only one person want to be honest out here. The response to that, don't stop, is get it, don't stop.
Get it.
Don't stop.
Get it.
Don't stop.
Get it.
We're going to get the change that we want because we're standing with the world today. We're striking out against all those who want more money instead of cultural legacy. And so, as I sat down, the Creator said to me, let them know what climate really means to me. Well, climate for me is cultural legacy. All right? That's first two letters, cultural legacy. In movement, acting, and truthfully engaged. And so just like my elders, my ancestors, sang right up on these sea island and thing all around the peninsula, we started a song that in the 50s and the 60s became nationally known, then became internationally known. And as I waited to come up here, that song started playing in my mind. And it said, I know the one thing we did right was the day we started to fight. Keep your eyes on the prize. Hold on. I know the one thing we did right was the day we started to fight. Keep your eyes on the prize. Hold on. I know the one thing we did right was the